Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tarot with Aisha. Hope you all are doing well. I'm a tarot reader, numerologist, and a spiritual healer. If you are new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed to it, do it right away so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. For personalized tarot reading, numerological consultation, or candle healings, you can reach out to me on my Instagram or Facebook pages. Links to these are mentioned in the description. Let's begin with Sagittarius. So for Sagittarius, I have 4 of coins and 9 of swords, followed by page of coins and the high priestess. So 4 of coins over here is showing me कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा किसी चीज़ को लेके अपने फाइनेंसेस को लेके प्रॉपर्टी रिलेटेड कुछ इश्यूज फेस कर रहे हो. यू आर मे बी हो सकता है फैमिली में कुछ प्रॉपर्टी को लेके फाइनेंसेस को लेके देर आर सर्टेन इश्यूज गोइंग ऑन which you did not expected कि कभी ऐसा possible है within the family, within the closed family of yours, but then this issue has come up and if नहीं आया है तो this week में there are high chances कि ये सारे issues might come up in front of you. Like you are trying to maintain your calm and you are trying to control the issue, control the situation, but हो सकता है at times things might go out of your hand and or you won't be clear enough ki what should be your next step. In such a situation, it is advised that you trust your intuitions because I have the High Priestess card over here. So the High Priestess is mostly related to your intuition, to your emotions. So you need to trust your intuitions, observe closely to your intuitions and then make a decision. Maybe universe might give you certain hints on how you need to proceed ahead. Also look out for the opportunities for the people around you who might help you and guide you in this situation. If still you cannot connect with yourself, you can take some time out, meditate, and just be in a space where you are by yourself so that you can connect with yourself, meditate a bit, and then you will be able to connect with yourself. I have this 8 of Cups over here, which is showing that you might be depressed and you might have to reach out to someone and the emotions would be overflowing in this week for you. So you have to control all your emotions. You have to pay attention to your emotions. If required, just go and spend some time in nature. This will allow you to rejuvenate and connect with yourself. This is what is advised, and just pay close attention to your finances and to your expenditure because this might be useful for future perspective. So that's all for Sagittarius. Do let me know in the comment section if you could resonate with the reading. Moving on to Capricorn. So for Capricorn, this week is going to bring in some good signs, some good gesture from your family members, or you might be someone who would want to do something for your family. Or good emotions or positive vibrations is what is going to be there in your home, in your environment around you. So you need to pay attention to it. Along with that, I have this Knight of Coins over here, जहाँ पे I see कि you are going to get some opportunities where you won't be like clear कि क्या करना चाहिए because suddenly some good times might come up or suddenly some options might come up and you would be in such a position जहाँ पे all of sudden ऐसे unexpected कुछ सामने आने से you won't be able to make out कि क्या next step होना चाहिए. So that is okay because along with that you are going to unveil some facts that is going to impact your future decisions, your further decisions. I have this Knight of Cups over here where I see that you might be bombarded with some unexpected facts. हो सकता है ड्यू टू दिस आप बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज स्टेट में चले जाओ या यू वोंट हैव दैट क्लैरिटी कि आगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या लेना चाहिए. सो विद दैट विल कम सम facts which you will want to explore, and with that fact you will have a clarity of your further decision because I have this Death card over here. So this is definitely going to bring in some clarity in your life and it is going to make your decision making process very easy. Along with that, I have pretty good cards, that is Ace of Cups and Four of Wands. So there is definitely new beginnings in terms of relationship, marriage, engagement. Something good news is 100% coming for you this week, Capricorn. Be prepared for it and just go ahead, explore the opportunities and enjoy and live in the moment. Moving on to Aquarius. So for Aquarius, this week is going to bring in some difficult phase wherein you might be stuck, where you might have to make some tricky decisions. You have to use your mind to the fullest. If things are not working in a certain way, you will have to manipulate the situation accordingly, and then you will have to reach out to a conclusion. Maybe if the world is seeing straight, you will have to look at that particular situation in a different way to find out a solution. एंड हो सकता है whatever you are in a phase, जो भी एक stuck phase में हो, you will start to gain momentum, you will start to move out from a particular situation, else you will find a solution and you will start working on that situation. With that, I have this Empress card and the Star card. So somewhere down the line, you are going to be filled in with feminine energies. The divine feminine powers would be on the higher side for you, and with that, the motherly care is going to definitely come out for you, and you are going to take utmost care of your family, of your loved ones, because the caring nature, the emotional part of you is going to be highly inclined to in this week, which is going to be a good part because this are going to open some good opportunities for you, some good times with your family, with your loved ones for you. Along with it, by the end of this week, I see that you will have some new opportunities with this Ace of Coins coming up. So, new opportunities is not always in terms of career or finances. It could also be in terms of some good relations. Maybe you might heal some of your relations and get together with your motherly care, and this will sort the difficult situation between you and someone in your family. So, good luck, Aquarius, for this week. Do let me know in the comment section if you could resonate with the readings. Moving on to Pisces. For Pisces, I have 8 of Coins, Justice card, and Temperance card. So Pisces, maybe somewhere down the line you were struggling, you were stuck in such a situation, or you are in such a situation जहाँ पे आप क्लैरिटी नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हो, फाइनेंसेस को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो. इफ़ यू आर रीचिंग आउट फॉर हेल्प टू पीपल, दे आर इवन नॉट इन अ स्टेट टू सपोर्ट यू, एंड मे बी आपको इफ़ यू आर आस्किंग, तो आपको सामने से सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा है फ्रॉम द पर्सन दैट यू एक्सपेक्टेड. So now is the time that things are going to turn for you. You are going to get justice. You are going to receive the help that you were looking out for a long time now. But you need to make sure कि आपको किससे help लेना चाहिए. Just because you are in need of finances or you are in need of a guidance or of a support, do not accept the help from someone extremely strange or someone who is a stranger to you, because this might create some chaos in your life at a later stage. Maybe there might be some unexpected hidden expectations of the other person. So before receiving the help, make sure who the person is, what connection you hold with that person, and then proceed to take that help. Because किसी गलत इंटेंट से अगर किसी ने आपको अप्रोच किया, हेल्प किया, so you might be guilty at a later stage. So make wise decisions. This Temperance card is asking you to make wise decisions, have a clear mind, have a balanced state of mind, and then go ahead and make a decision. Also, I have this Hermit card over here, so do not get depressed in this week. Although you are going through a lot at this time, but do not get depressed. Some help is definitely coming to you. Just things are going to be very slow for you, and it is advised कि आप भी चीज़ों को बहुत आराम से लेके जाइए आगे. Don't rush into the situation because this might not help for future activity. So just be calm enough and just go with the flow. Slow down all the processes if required. That's all for Pisces for this week. Do let me know in the comment section if you could resonate with the readings. Until we meet next time, stay safe.